Have you noticed that most of the comforting recipes are usually very simple and easy to make? This snack recipe is just like that. By the end of the video, you will realize that I have hardly used any ingredients while making this. This is our go-to recipe for whenever we don't want to munch on anything heavy but still want something tangy. And you know what? The only time that you need in this particular recipe is the time in roasting. And that also tends to get relaxing if done slowly. I keep adding and deleting the spices that I use as per my liking from time to time. But the touch of chaat masala makes a huge difference in the flavors. For those who don't have this, should definitely hit an Indian store to grab one. You can use this masala in so many more ways that most of my Indian folks would already know. The reason I called this snack recipe comforting towards the beginning of the video is because of the taste you get from the ghee or butter that we roast these in. Oh my god! Some of them will have soaked more of it and some will have not so much. But when the ones with the flavor of ghee come in your mouth, you will remember me for having shared this simple yet delicious snack recipe with you all.